one of the things that is quite interesting is custody. About 89% of single parent households are headed up by women. So that means that only 11% are led by fathers. Obviously, the maths. Does that mean that only 10% of dads want to be a single parent, or like want to be the sole primary care of the child? Now, this is where we're going to argue a little bit, because I'm going to say no. I don't personally know a lot of men that have gone through this, but I know that there are men who have tried and fought tooth and nail to actually be the primary carer for their child. But again, I believe about 87% of court cases usually favor the woman. And there's a great podcast out there. I recommend everyone give it a watch, the Baby Fathers podcast. And there are many cases where the woman is actually not capable of being a mother. And I'm not blaming women. I grew up in a single parent household with a mother. But what I'm saying is the court favors women 9 times out of 10. And I understand why, you carried a child for 9 months, you give birth. I get all of that and I agree. But there are some cases in which some women are actually not capable of looking after the child or giving the child the best possible outcome. So that 11%, although it's true, if we look at it with some nuance, we could say that if the courts were a bit more balanced, it may not be that way.